child to sleep. Now it carries broken cars and promises we couldn't keep. The mountain used to stand so proud and green. Now it slides into the valley, a muddy, crying stream. And people point their fingers at the sky, asking why the clouds won't tell the truth. Asking But the rain is just the rain. It never learned to hate. It falls on the just and the unjust, on the early and the late. Don't blame it on the rain. It's only water from above. Blame the hand that took the forest. Blame the hunger for the love. A muddy up more land, of the silence of the trees. The rain is just a witness. We are the disease. A mother lost her daughter to a landslide in the night. The hills had no more roots to hold, no more will to fight. A farmer watched his field become a lake. For every acre that we paved, for every greedy stake, the news calls it natural disaster. But nature didn't sign the paper. We cut the lungs of the earth and called it growth. Then wonder why the fever comes, why the river overflows. The rain is not revenge, it's just a mirror on our greed. The only way to stop the flood is to plant a different seed. Don't blame it on the rain. It's only water from above. Blame the hand that took the forest. Blame the hunger for the love. A muddy up more land, of the silence of the trees. The rain is just a witness. We are the disease. Let the rain fall clean again on a world we choose to mend. Don't blame the sky.